Hello, I'm Spider-Man and welcome to this tutorial on binary addition. In this tutorial, we will go over the steps to add binary numbers together. The steps to add binary digits is very similar to adding decimal digits. You start by adding the rightmost digit. If the result is greater or equal to 10 in binary, you carry over the excess value to the next digit on the left. Repeat this process until all digits have been added. Let's look at an example. Suppose we want to add the binary numbers 101 and 100. To solve this problem, we would follow the same steps as listed before. I like to format my binary addition like this. I find it easier to do this addition this way, as I've been doing decimal addition this way too, so it's something I'm familiar with. So we will start by adding the rightmost digit. So 1 plus 0 is equal to 1. 0 plus 0 is equal to 0. Now, finally we come to this digit. So 1 plus 1. So in binary, 1 plus 1 is actually equal to 10. So this room has only place for 1 bit. It has place for that 0 bit. We put the 0 here and we carry over the 1. So our final answer is 1001. This is our next example. 111 plus 101. We will format it the same way we just did. So 1 plus 1 is 10. This spot only has place for 1 bit, so we add the 0 here, we carry over the 1. 1 plus 1 is also equal to 10. 0 here, 1 over here. Now 1 plus 1 is equal to 10. We know that. Then plus 1 is equal to 1, 1. So it's 1, carry over the 1 here, and it's 1. So the final answer is 1100. Now let's go on how we can check the work. So an easy way to check our answer is this. We know that binary bit has a corresponding decimal value. As you progress left, the value of the binary bit increases by a factor of 2. We can use this information to check our answer. So for our first example, we got 101 plus 100 is equal to 1001. So let's convert each number in decimal and add them up to see if it matches the answer. So these are the decimal placeholder values for the binary number. I add all the placeholder values wherever there is a 1 to get my equivalent decimal value. So for here there's a 1 where it's 2 to the power 0. So I add 2 to the power 0 to 2 to the power 2. 2 to the power 2 is 4, 2 to the power 0 is 1, so it's 5 here. Same thing here. There's only a 1 at where 2 to the power 2 placeholder is, so it's 4. I'm going to add a subscript of 2 here to indicate these numbers are binary, and a subscript of 10 here to indicate these numbers are decimal. So 5 plus 4 should give us 9. If this answer is equivalent to 9 in decimal, then we did our binary addition correctly. So 1, let's look where 1 is. So 1 is 2 to the power 0, so 2 to the power 0 plus 2 to the power 3. 2 to the power 3 is 8, 2 to the power 0 is 1. So this is 9 in decimal. So this answer is correct, because 5 plus 4 is equivalent to 9. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand the basics of binary addition.